This is an aromatic, easy curry sauce that's finished off with coconut milk for richness. Serve it with chicken pieces and basmati rice. Start by heating oil in a pan. Add onion and cook until translucent. Add garlic and ginger and cook until fragrant. Add curry powder, sugar, cinnamon, and salt, and cook until fragrant. Add tomato paste and chicken stock. Then you're going to bring this to a boil and reduce and simmer for about 5 minutes. You want it to thicken slightly, and then add coconut milk and continue to simmer for about 5 minutes. Stir in chicken, serve over rice, and enjoy. You can get this full printable recipe at saucefanatic.com.